Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 14, part 7, JavaScript data types, object, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about the object in JavaScript. So, object, it is a non-primitive data type in JavaScript. It is like any other variable. The only difference is that an object holds multiple values in terms of properties and methods. In the sense, a variable can hold only one value at a time, but an object holds multiple values in the terms of properties and methods. So, property can hold values of primitive data types and methods of functions. So, in other programming languages like Java or C Sharp, you need a class to create an object of it. So in JavaScript, an object, it is a standalone entity because there is no concept of class in JavaScript, but you can achieve the class functionality with the help of functions. This is what about the object in JavaScript. In the next slide, we are going to learn like how to create object. In JavaScript, an object can be created in two ways. One is using the object literal and the other one is the object constructor. Right now in this session, we are going to learn like how to create an object in object literal syntax. It's very simple. So object literal, it's a simple way of creating an object using flower brackets. Okay, and you can include key value pair inside this flower brackets where key can be a property or a method, and the value will be a property of any data type or a function. And keep in mind, this key value pairs, you can observe here, they are separated by comma. So right now, without wasting much time, let me jump into Visual Studio Code and let me show you how to create an object in the object literal way. So it's very simple. Let me jump into Visual Studio Code. Here is my project and I'm having a HTML page, and right now I'm having a script tag here. So let me tell you like how to create an object in the object literal way. It's very simple, where I have to give the object name as person is equal to curly braces and end up with a semicolon, and within this flower brackets I'm going to define properties and methods to this object. It's very simple. So I'll have a property called first name. First name is Ankpro, and last name is the other property. Technology. Okay, and let me have a method get full name. Get full name, that is function. It's a method. So what this get full name method is going to do, it's going to, okay, this full name method is going to return the first name and last name. So when I do Control S, now what I've done is I've created an object called person, and we have key value pairs, three key value pairs. Okay, the first pair is property, first two pairs are property, and the third pair is a method. So now I've defined an object with the properties and methods. Now how do I access them back? So if I want to check the value present in the property first name, I can access them with the help of person dot. With the dot notation, I can access the value of the first name. So I need to call the property name here. So what I'll do is I'll pass this to, or let me make use of document dot write, document dot write, Control X, Control V. Okay, now when I do Control S, now what I need to do is I need to print, okay, person dot dot last name. Okay, and also what I need to do is I need to call a method, or let me do it in this way, like let me call let me use the alert function to do that work. person dot first name, okay. When I do control S, now what I'll do is I'll go to this I'll add another alert. I want to see the last name also, and also I need to execute the call the method. So alert, what is the method name? Person dot get full name. Okay, now when I do control S, now what I'll do is I'll go, okay, I'll go to the page where I've folder where I've saved this page, and I'll double click on that. Let me show you how it looks and what it is going to bring the message. Okay, so we are getting, okay, now let me expand it. The browser is in, okay, now let me refresh. You can observe we are getting the output as Ankpro. This is the value of the first property, and this is the value of the second property, and this is the value of the function. So okay, we have a object called person, and it is having three things in it. One is, first two are the properties, and the last one is a name. This get full name is a function, sorry, and later we are accessing them back. Okay, now let me go back to the presentation. This is how you can create an object with the in the object literal way. Okay, and here is a code snippet of it. Now what I'll show you is we can create, or we can assign, okay, instead of using this colon, what we can do is we can make use of okay, this is the way, and that's what we learned in this session, like how to create an object. Okay, and we also understood what is object, and we learned like how to create object in the object literal syntax. Okay, this is the code snippet present here. And finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ankpro Training. Okay, let me go back. Okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our websites. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.